Bread pizza, without oven, just in 5 minutes. Let's make it. Take bread slices and spread pizza sauce or ketchup. Add chopped onion, tomatoes, and capsicum. Sprinkle salt, oregano, and chili flakes. Add grated cheese on top. I am using mozzarella cheese. Place it on tawa and add sweet corns on the top. Cover it and cook it for 5 minutes on the low flame. Look at this cheese bread pizza. So easy and tasty, very delicious. Crunchy from outside, soft from the top. I have added the tomato ketchup. This is so cheesy and very tasty. I hope you like this video. This is really very tasty evening snack for your kids. Now hear the sound of the crunch. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Try to make this bread pizza and comment me how you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This will support me. It inspires me more to make more videos like this. And please, don't forget to share this video. Comment me what you want me to make in my next video. And please do hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification. I am going to post my videos at 7 p.m. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.